How to download videos from Reddit. Firstly, open App Store or Google Play Store on your device. Go to the search bar on the top and search for the Reddit application. Look for any updates that may be available. If updates are available, update it, or else go back to your homepage. From your homepage, launch the Reddit application. Now, navigate to the video which you would like to download. Click on the video once to open it on a full screen. On the top right corner of this screen, click on the three dot icon. Now select the option Download Video. If you haven't already, then give permission to your photos and videos. Once you have done that, then the video will be downloaded to your gallery. If you check your gallery, then it will be downloaded right here. Now, not all videos on Reddit will have the download option. You can download all the videos that have the downloading option. So that's all for today. Thank you.